We know former Eagles star Andrew Embley and Eagles women's coach Daisy Pearce are set to make a splash tomorrow. Now Mike Hussey has revealed he too will slide into a bucket of ice to beat the beast that is MND. The campaign, spearheaded by football legend Bec Daniher, who was diagnosed with motor neuron disease in 2013, is in its 10th year.
Dad was diagnosed with MND back in 2013 when he was living here in WA. And from that moment, the community were just so incredibly supportive to his cause.
So far, FightMND has invested more than $97 million into vital research, including more than $5 million for work done at the Perron Institute.
Their support has enabled us here in Western Australia to take our discoveries through the laboratory and to have one of our drugs now very close to being ready for the clinic.
Mike Hussey, aka Mr Cricket, joining dozens of celebrities who've braved the chill for the cause.
Anything we can do to help to try and find a cure, but also raise money for the research, then yeah, definitely all in.
It brings the laughter and joy whilst we continue to raise awareness for what is such a beast.
The fundraising fund will kick off at Optus Stadium when the West Coast Eagles take on St Kilda